Welcome. In this video, I will show you most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on LENOVO V15. So, if you have troubles connecting to your Wi-Fi, first open the control center by clicking these three icons on the taskbar. Then you can first toggle your Wi-Fi by switching it off and on again. And if this doesn't help, you can also toggle the airplane mode by enabling it and disabling it. This will reset all your networks for a while. And if this didn't help you, then right-click your Wi-Fi icon, select Go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Now here you have to scroll down to Network Reset option and open it. Then click Reset Now next to Network Reset. Click Yes and wait for this notification to appear. Click Close, then open the Start menu, go to your power options and click Restart. Then wait until your device is rebooted. And once it is, provide the PIN code to your device. And let's try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Tap the arrow icon next to Wi-Fi icon, then select the network that you want to connect to. Click Connect, provide a password to it. And if it's not connecting to it, or if the signal is too weak still, so if the problem isn't resolved, right-click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar, then go to Diagnose Network Problems. And here you'll find a long list of troubleshooting steps. So at this point, you're gonna have to go through them. And if these steps don't help you, then maybe it's a driver problem, so the software problem of your network card. In order to resolve this kind of problem, you have to open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it. Then select the network adapters and expand their list. Find the wireless LAN adapter, this one, double click it, select Advanced, select Driver tab, and then if you have some sort of internet connection, maybe you have Ethernet cable that you can connect to your device, then go to Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers and see if this program finds any updates for your device's drivers automatically. Now if it doesn't, then you can download the drivers manually, and to do that you're either gonna have to do it on this PC or use a separate device for that. Download the drivers on a separate device, then using a USB flash drive, transfer them to this PC and then install them. So either way, I'm going to show you how to do this exactly. So in order to install the right driver for your PC, you're gonna have to know your device's serial number, and to check your device's serial number you have to check its back cover. So right now let me close the lid of the laptop real quick and then turn it around so we can find the serial number to this device together. And here it is. And here we even have the QR code for it. So check your device's serial number, write it down somewhere because we're gonna need it. And right now, give me a moment. Okay, so once you discover your device's serial number, open any web browser, then search for LENOVO drivers. I think we're gonna easily find the official support.lenovo.com website that says Lenovo support drivers, troubleshooting, etc. Open this website, then go to PC, let's accept the cookies. Now, if you can detect the product, of course, if you're doing this, it's the same thing on your Lenovo laptop. you can use this feature. This will be much easier for you, but if you're doing it on a different PC, then select browse product, go to laptops, and let's actually use the serial number, and to use the serial number, we're gonna have to select PCs, detect product, maybe. Okay, so it wants to use. Okay, let's use browse product. Excuse me for that. Laptop series. Give me a moment. Okay, so excuse me for that, but maybe instead of searching for devices, because there are too many devices if you're looking by serial number, instead search for Lenovo find by serial number, and you're gonna find this website saying device warranty lookup. Now insert your device's serial number into this field. Then press enter. Okay, and now here select drivers and software section on the sidebar. Then let's select manual update. Let's go to networking wireless LAN, and here you have the latest recommended drivers. Okay, there is only one driver that can be downloaded. WLAN driver, Intel Realtek is the one that we're looking for. Just click download next to it. The driver will be downloaded. And now, if you are doing this on a separate PC, then just transfer this file to your Lenovo using a USB flash drive. Otherwise, just run this file on your PC. Click yes, then click OK, accept the license agreement, and click next. Then select install option and click next once again. Install. Okay, so right now the driver is installed successfully. If you want to make sure that the changes applied and your driver has updated, open the power options, select restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, sign into it and check if your network connection is stabilized. If it didn't, then at this point, first thing I would do is either restart the router, because maybe this is the problem, or if the router restart doesn't help you, then or isn't helping you, then contact your internet provider and ask if there is a problem, network outages or something else on their side. If they confirm a problem on their side, then you simply have to wait until network connection is stabilized on their side, and then you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi once again. And if there's no problem on their side, then it's probably your the problem is probably inside your network card. There's probably some hardware issue with your network card. In such case, you're gonna have to contact the Lenovo customer support service, tell them about your issue, and probably they will tell you to send your laptop to them for repair to the service center. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.